Hey, my name's Craig and welcome back to Fit for Life. Today, let's work the glutes. We got 45 minutes work, 15 seconds rest. Let's get into it. Right, get down into the squat position. We're gonna move our legs inwards and outwards, just like this. Do a side view, just like that. Keeping that bum tucked in. Your legs are going in and outwards. Staying in that nice deep squat. Squat and hold this. 20 seconds on the clock. Keep going. Breathe. You can't go quite deep. Go a little bit higher just to here. And hold there. Okay. Down for me on your back. We're going to do some hip thrusts. We're going to come to here, just a hip thrust. Yes. On the clock, go. Up, and down. Move your legs in if you want to get a little bit higher. So feet towards your bum, lifting those hips up towards the sky. There we go. Oh, I'm feeling this in my bum today. Pace yourself, guys. 10 exercises altogether. 15 seconds rest in a minute. Good job. It's working your quads as well. Nice. Next exercise, on your knees. Like this. We're just going to hip thrust like that. The trick with this is to lean back a little bit, so you've got your body weight backwards, driving your hips forward, using your bum and also your thighs to lift up. Try and sit on your heels. If you can't sit on your heels and you've got very small Achilles, just come to here and back up again. Gonna feel really good after this, guys. Here we go. Okay. Next one. We're gonna put one foot on the ground, lift this one up, and then we're gonna lift our hips like this. Okay, let's go. Nice. So we're gonna do this side first, and then the other side. Keep lifting up. Drive those hips upwards to the sky. Nice. Good work. Good pace. Good posture. Nice. Next leg. Right leg forward, left leg bent. Same technique. Up and down. If you're getting tired, use this leg a little bit to lift you up. It helps. Good job. 20 seconds on the clock. Keep driving those hips forward and up. Keep that foot planted on the ground. I always have my arms on the floor, but you can put them anywhere. Put them here if you want. Makes it a little bit harder. Okay. straight into the donkeys. Now's the fun part, donkey kicks. So we're going to do this technique. Right leg first. Here we go. 2, 1. Here we go. So you want to drive that foot up towards the sky. Don't open your hips. Keep everything in line with your body and your arms. So my hips are forward, just kicking that leg back. Nice, good stuff. If you want to make this a little bit harder, what you need to do is put your knees out like this. And do it again, other side. For now, just going to keep to this version. Now to help you kick up to the sky, flex your foot. So left leg now, here we go. 40 seconds on the clock. Stay with me. Oh, it's very windy today. I'm gonna blow the camera over. Ah. Keep going. Let's get that nice bump. Keep going. Push that leg up. It's good, very good for your lower back as well. So anyone with lower back problems, this will help. Right, very good. Back on our feet, back in the squat position. We're gonna move from side to side like this, like a crab. Okay, go, down for me, and move over to the side. Give you a side view, side. Back to the front. Good job. It's not easy. Make sure your knees are going over your toes. Nice. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Right, back down. Back on your knees again. Last exercise. On all fours like this. Stay with me. Leg straight. And kick up. Here we go. Go. Kick up like this. Nice and straight. Just touching the ground. Straight back up again. Doesn't need to be very high. Depends how flexible you are. Just want to go to here. That's good as well. So kick that leg up high as you can. Don't fall into your hip. Keep nice and upright. Good. Great work. 6 seconds. Switch legs. Rest out for me. There we go. Right, next leg. Left leg out, right leg bent. 4 seconds. Here we go. Up. Now, usually with this, you have a side which you're more flexible with. See, I'm more flexible with my left side. Which side are you more flexible with? Let me know in the comments. Keep lifting that leg up. Talking helped. Takes your mind off it. Oh, or singing. I'm singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. It's gonna rain in a minute because I'm singing. Here we go, keep lifting that leg. 1, yes. Good job, guys. Now try and do that 4 times a week. You're gonna see a massive improvement in your bum and also your lower back. Keep grinding, guys. Good job.